What is Arduino UNO? The Arduino UNO R3, open-source microcontroller development board based on ATmega328P for beginners, students, hobbyists, engineers. Simple code for electronics projects. UNO means one in Italian, first USB series board. The brain, ATmega328P, large black DIP IC center left, Atmel Microchip. 8-bit AVR RISC, 16 MHz, 32 KB flash, 0.5 KB bootloader, 2 KB SRAM, 1 KB EEPROM, 5 volts. Executes sketches, controls pins, sensors, motors, displays. Pin headers, connections. Digital I/O 0 to 13, right, 14 pins, input-output 5 volts. PWM 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, LED dim, motors. 0 RX, 1 TX, 13 LED, 2/3 interrupts. Analog A0, A5 left, 0 to 5 volts, 10-bit, 1024 steps. Pots, temps, LDR. A4 SDA, A5 SCL, I quad C. Power, VIN 7 to 12 volts, 5 volts from 3.3 volts out, 50 milliamps, ground, reset, I/O ref. DC jack top left, 7 to 12 volts, 2.1 mm plus. USB-B top right, code upload, serial, 5 volts. ATmega16U2, regulator, 7 to 12 to 5 volt auto switch. Caps, 47 microfarads for 35 volt stabilize. USB serial. ATmega16U2, UART, TX and RX LEDs. LEDs, on, green power, TX RX, yellow data, L, pin 13 code. Reset, red, restart, no erase. Crystal, 16 MHz silver, clock, 16 megacycles per second. ICSP2X, main ATmega328P, SEC ATmega16U2. UART 0/1, PC GPS/BT, I/C, A4/5 sensors/OLED, SPI 10 to 13 SD TFT. Back, UNO R3, Italy official, open source, ROHS CE FCC Impatto 0. Specs: ATmega328P, 8 AVR 5 volts, 7 to 12 VIN, 14 DIO, 6 PWM, 6 ANA, 40 mA/IO, 50 mA 3.3, 32 KB Revel, 2 KB RAM, 1 KBE, 16 MHz, 68.6 by 53.4 mm, 25 grams. Build: LED blink, temp, hum,